In this video, I will explain how to document and record the contouring setup for individual users using our contouring charts. The contouring charts are available for our cushions and back supports. These are very useful documents and available to download at specseating.com. Contouring charts capture the setup at assessment to easily replicate this again if there is a time delay between the initial assessment and back support or cushion provision. If the Specs products are being used in a wheelchair service or clinic for assessments for multiple users, this form makes it very easy to record and set up the provided back support contouring system. It can save a lot of time and effort. It is also a fabulous tool to record contouring changes over time or to monitor whether changes have been made outside of the clinic setting. Contouring charts can be used by clinicians, family and carers to document changes and accurately record the contouring changes made. I will now show you how to record contouring on the SuperShape contouring chart that indicates the primary layer indicated here in black, the middle layer indicated here in red, corresponding to the color of the material for ease of use, and the rear layer also indicated in red, corresponding to the color of the material also. Step 1. You will see that the Specs SuperShape has Velcro points on the side and between the cell pocket substrates to ensure that all these layers are carefully aligned and secured. These must always be used when the back support is returned into the seating system. We will now undo these and lay the front black pocket side facing up. We lay the red section so that the middle layer is also facing up. Cross off any unused horizontal layers. You may find that when using a smaller back support, there are extra unnecessary rows on the contouring chart, so simply cross these off. Systematically check what foam pads are inserted into each pocket and record row by row, column by column. We know that sometimes professionals have their own way to mark how foams are folded or rolled, so please ensure that all persons involved are aware of how to interpret the contouring chart. In this way, any changes can be shared and monitored. We will start with the top left corner for this video, but the order you might do this will be up to you. This has 2 flat pink foams in this pocket, and we mark it like this. This has 1 folded pink foam and 1 flat pink foam in this pocket, and we mark it like this. Once the first cell substrate pocket layer is completed, we start on the next one. This is the middle red layer indicated in the middle on the contouring chart. This pocket has a grey and a pink foam in it, and we would simply mark it like this. Because this pocket had 1 pink and 1 grey, it's important that when we're replicating it, we make sure we know which pad was in front of the other. So when we record it, I simply underline the pad that is at the back, in other words, facing the back of the wheelchair. Once we've finished with the middle layer, we finish the contouring chart by filling in the final layer. We turn over the cell substrate so that the rear pockets are now facing upwards and complete the chart for the rear layer, just like this. If an additional positioning wedge had been used behind the rear layer, either inside the fabric cover or directly on the back support shell in this position on the wheelchair, I would record this also. For example, if the lumbar pad was used here, then I would just mark it like this on the rear layer. With practice, this can be completed very quickly during assessments and seating provision appointments. You don't have to take everything out like I have. We get used to being able to work it out. We consider this an essential tool to ensure correct setup and monitor changes over time. Thank you for watching.